Hmm. That radio. I'm using an SD card to open packages because it's easier. I'm getting scissors from across the room. So we got a Retekess TR625. And reference in the tag because so opening things with one hand is pain. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to grab some batteries real quick. Alright, so double A's, just because I know I need them. Have looked at reviews for this radio in the past. Okay. AC adapter, proprietary of course. And one radio. So here it is. My monitor is doing things. Move the mouse cursor. Peel, removed. Stick on the packaging. Press all the buttons. Okay, so get the batteries in. Okay, so it's the radio. Put the battery cover back on and flip up the stands. Alright, so of course it's got dumbass time stuff. Set the time real quick. It is there, 4:48 p.m. Okay. This clock is off by a couple seconds, who cares? This is for whether or not it alerts for tests. I don't really care. I don't care about data copy events. I am going to modify this slightly. I forget the controls of this. Yeah. That's this. Green advisory. Yes. Sorry about that, people appeared. So let's pass over all this. Volcano warning. When was that a thing? You can turn off everything on this, which is nice. But I'm just here to shut off the weekly. Set channel. So just verifying, channel 7 is on the air. Channel 7. God damn it. I get in the radio and channel 7's off the air. So this is set to channel 7, which is my local channel, KAC76, but Denver did a dumb and it's off the air again. Like, I'm even going to verify with the 120, this is the known good signal. Good job, Denver. Towards the day I get a new radio. I am not going to alert test this because I don't feel like annoying everyone else in the house. We'll let Denver handle that later on, because they like to do that. Hey, random in editing here. One thing with the Retekess that I found out. This thing likes to beep. It really likes to beep. As in, once every 10 minutes it will beep for absolutely no reason.